Hi, I'm Koala Candy from United Welsh Housing Association. I think today's been really useful in terms of just presenting in a very focused way the challenges that are being faced by us as a sector and talking about some of the solutions and where those solutions can be found. I think we all understand what some of the challenges are. We're perhaps not quite as keyed into how we're going to meet those challenges, and today's given us an opportunity to share with others about how we might do that.
I'm Barry Holroyd, I'm from Melin Homes. I've come along to the conference today because obviously this subject is something that is of vital importance to everybody who's involved in the housing field. But I was particularly impressed that we started off with Jane Davidson, the Housing Minister, and eluded the MEP, who gave us a very good overview of what's going on today. But then we've had some very detailed information coming out from experts in this particular field, and we're finishing it off with an extremely valuable discussion about what we as housing associations are doing, can do, and would hope to do in the future. It's been an extremely worthwhile event.
Hi, I'm Vicki Griffiths from Cadwyn Housing Association. I've enjoyed today's conference about energy efficiency and fuel poverty and learnt a lot. I've got an awful lot of information to take back to our tenants and my colleagues to share with the tenants. And there's more to come.
I'm David Llwyd Evans from Cymdeithas Tai Eryri. I found it a really useful and actually an inspiring event today. I've been working in this field for about 5-6 years and hitting my head against brick walls all the time. And it's been really good to network with people, find out what people are doing, and also to hear from the platform people feeling exactly the same things as me. And I think we do. Certainly got ideas I can take back and that I want to work on, and then I think it's going to shift my work and I hope that the sector's work over the next couple of years, because it really is an urgent and dangerous situation we're in with our tenants, so we need to really help them at the moment.
Hello, I'm Brionna Jones from Energy Saving Trust. I really enjoyed the event today. It was great to speak to some people I haven't met before from various housing associations, and everyone seems to be moving forward in a positive direction, and we have some really good action points for CHC and EST to work on together.